Hello and welcome everyone. I'm TJ and today I'm gonna show how to crochet this beautiful scarf or wrap you see on the screen here. For this wrap I decided to use a little bit more lacier pattern than the usual. The color changes are really gorgeous. I'm totally in love with. Um, the measurements for this wrap are the length is 180 centimeters and the width of our wrap is 40 centimeters. After blocking my wrap, I think with this yarn, this wrap is perfect for chilly summer nights or for the spring days. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let me show the materials we will need for this pattern. I used uh, a 6mm crochet hook. You can use a bigger or smaller one, it's up to you. I think with 6.5mm the pattern will be nice as well. For this pattern I used Lion Brand scarf yarn, which is 78% acrylic yarn and 22% wool blend. I used exactly 2 balls of this yarn and a really small amount left. The yarn is category 5 bulky yarn. You can use different yarn you have in your stash. I think it will the pattern will be gorgeous with different yarn category yarn too. The color I'm using is Seafoam Clay color. If you are ready, let's start with the pattern of this beautiful scarf. This pattern is a multiple of 7 plus 6, and that's why we will start by chaining 62 chains. I finished my chains, and now we will make single crochet into the second chain from our hook. 1, 2. Then we will start the pattern repeat for this row 1, chain 3, then skip next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make a single crochet in next chain. Then again chain 3, skip next 2 chains, 1, 2, and make single crochet in next chain. You have to repeat this across till the last 4 chains. Chain 3, skip next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 1 single crochet in next one. Chain 3 again, skip next 2 chains and make a single crochet in next one. Repeat this till the last 4 chains. For the last 4 chains, chain 3, skip next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make a single crochet into the last stitch. For row 2, turn your work, chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as a double crochet here and throughout the pattern. For row 2, we will continue working only in the chain spaces you see here. Now for the first chain space we have to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 4. Now the pattern repeat for this row starts here, chain 1, skip the stitch as we are working in the chain spaces only and make 1 double crochet in next chain space, chain 1, and make 4 double crochet in next chain space. This is the pattern repeat for row 2, and you have to repeat this till the last stitch. Chain 1, 1 double crochet in next stitch, chain 1, 4 double crochet into the next chain space. Continue crocheting till the last stitch and let's meet there. At the end of row 2, make 1 double crochet on top of the last stitch. Turn your work, and for row 3, chain 1, then make a single crochet into the first double crochet, and now the pattern repeat starts here, chain 3, skip next 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a single crochet into the chain 1 space. Then chain 3, skip next stitch, which is the double crochet stitch, and make a single crochet into the next chain space. Then again, chain 3, skip the next 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make single crochet into the next chain space, chain 3, skip the next stitch and make a single crochet into the next chain space. You have to repeat this till the last 5 stitches. When you reach your last 5 stitches, chain 3, skip the next 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a single crochet on top of our turning chain 3 here. For row 4, turn your work, chain 4, chain 4 here is counted as double crochet plus chain 1 here and throughout the pattern, and the pattern repeat starts here. Make double crochet in next chain 3 space, double crochet, then chain 1, and make 4 double crochet in next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1 and repeat this again till the last chain 3 space. Let's do it one more time. We finished with chain 1 and now double crochet in next chain 3 space, then chain 1 and 4 double crochet into the next chain space, and chain 1. You have to repeat this till the last chain 3 space. For the end of row 4, this is the last chain 3 space. Now we have to make 1 double crochet into the chain space, chain 1 and make 1 double crochet on top of the last stitch. For row 5, turn your work, chain 1 and make single crochet on top of the first double crochet here, then chain 3, skip the next chain space and the next double crochet and make single crochet into the next chain 1 space, then chain 3, skip the next 4 double crochet and make single crochet into the next chain space. Here the pattern repeat starts. Chain 3, skip the next stitch and make a single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 3, skip the next 4 double crochet and make 1 single crochet into the next chain space, and you have to repeat this till the last double crochet of this row. At the end of row 5, this is the last double crochet because here is the chain 4 at the beginning of row 4. Now chain 3, skip this double crochet stitch and make a single crochet on top of the third chain of our chain 4 we have here. 1, 2, 3, this is 4 and you have to make 1 single crochet on top of the third chain. This is the pattern for this beautiful scarf or wrap. You have to repeat rows 2 till 5 till the desired length. And this is the final look of our wrap. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and if it is, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to ring the bell button so you'll get a notification whenever we have a new tutorial on our channel. See you in my next ones.